Introduction to Vue.js, a beginner's guide. Vue.js is a progressive JavaScript framework for building user interfaces. It's often referred to as a progressive framework because you can incrementally adopt its features, allowing developers to use as much or as little of it as needed. Key features of Vue.js. Declarative rendering. Vue.js uses a declarative approach to building UIs. You specify what you want to achieve, and Vue takes care of the underlying logic. This makes the code more intuitive and easier to understand. Component-based architecture. Vue.js is built around the concept of components, which are reusable and self-contained units of code. Components can be composed to build complex applications, promoting maintainability and reusability. Two-way data binding. Vue.js facilitates two-way data binding, meaning changes in the user interface instantly affect the underlying data and vice versa. This makes it easy to keep the UI in sync with the application state. Directives. Vue.js provides a set of built-in directives that allow you to extend HTML with additional functionality. For example, the vif and vfor directives enable conditional rendering and list rendering, respectively. Lifecycle hooks. Vue.js components have a lifecycle, and developers can tap into various lifecycle hooks to execute custom logic at different stages. This allows for better control and customization of component behavior. Getting started. To use Vue.js in your project, you can include it via a CDN or install it through a package manager like npm. Here's a simple example of using Vue.js in an HTML file. In this example, Vue is used to bind the message property to the content of the PDF element. When the data changes, the Vue automatically updates. Vue.js ecosystem. Vue.js has a vibrant ecosystem with tools and libraries for various purposes, including state management, Vuex, routing, Vue Router, and building scalable and maintainable applications. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Vue.js provides a smooth learning curve and flexibility to fit into projects of different scales. Its simplicity and versatility have contributed to its popularity in the web development community.